Hi guys, a pleasure to have you all here with me today. I am going to show you how to make this amazing butter chicken. Let's get started. Okay guys, so let's start by marinating our chicken. Here I have some boneless chicken thighs and breast. I already washed them up in some lemon juice, and I'll be using some mustard oil, some yogurt, grated ginger and garlic, some lemon juice. I have some cumin, garam masala, some turmeric, some chili powder, salt, and chicken bouillon. So basically you just want to add all of the ingredients to the chicken, mix really well to combine, and we will cover this and set it aside to marinate for about 3 to 6 hours. The longer you marinate it, the better. So now for the rest of the ingredients. Here I have some fresh tomatoes, onions, ginger, garlic, some cilantro, as well as brown sugar, bay leaves, salt, chicken bouillon. I have some chili powder, cumin, garam masala, butter, heavy cream, and some yogurt. So what I did was place all of my tomatoes and aromatics into a blender and blend to a nice smooth consistency. This is what it should look like once you're done. Now to my cast iron pot, I added some oil, and now we'll go in with the chicken. You want to cook the chicken until it's fully cooked and nice and tender. So we will give it a stir, set the lid on, and allow the chicken to cook in its own juices, and then I'll show you what's next. So as you can see, the chicken has released all of its juices. Now we will leave it uncovered and allow it to cook until those juices evaporates. Now this is what it should look like once it's done. Now we will remove it from the pot, set it aside, and we'll proceed with the next step. Now to the same pot we will add some butter, then we will go in with our tomato sauce. The tomato sauce was blended with garlic, onion, ginger, and cilantro. I will leave all the measurements I used in the description box. So once that is added, you want to now go in with your spices and the seasoning to flavor it up a bit. We will also add our bay leaves and sugar, and we will set the lid on and allow this to simmer on low heat for about 20 to 30 minutes. You want that tomato to cook thoroughly before moving on with the next step. After about 30 minutes, this is how our tomato sauce is looking. Now it's fully cooked. So lastly, we will add our heavy cream and our yogurt. We will give it a good stir, and then we will add our chicken back in here. Once everything is well combined, we will set the lid on and let it go for about, let's say, 15 minutes or so. I like to cook the chicken in the sauce so it can absorb all the flavors. And here you have it, guys. This is the end of our butter chicken. When I tell you this is divine and it's so delicious, you guys will not regret trying this recipe. So here you have it, my version of butter chicken. I did serve it up with some garlic naan and some basmati rice. My family enjoyed it. They went back for seconds, third, and I can't wait for you all to give the recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all the ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching. I truly appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy.